Hello everyone, welcome back with the additional, the additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday March the 13th. I've told you earlier today we have only one medium Sudoku. There's no additional, no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, we have some puzzles left in Saturday edition. The Saturday edition, in this puzzle page, we have here 2 puzzles left. The Sudoku with 3 stars, well, it's not quite right. This one has 28 printed digits, so it should be a 1-star puzzle. 28 printed digits, yeah. And we have a 10x10 binary puzzle in this puzzle page. In the additional, we have also 3 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But let me start with this one, Sudoku with well, it's actually 1 star, and this one will be number 6107, I believe. Yeah, I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits, should be a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, we need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information, insufficient information. Write down. Okay, how about the 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. The 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9, need more information again. Alright, 4, 6. Let me think. 5, 7, here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, so 1 digit left. Should be the 7 then. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, okay, we have a 7 now. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I think here there should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be a 7 because we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 in this column could be here or there or here. Well, we see another 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there in this column. Well, now we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in the first row, so no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 7 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 and 7. 7 and 7 Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those two boxes, it'll be the 7, so this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, don't need 2 places left on the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, don't need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, alright. Okay. 2 to 5. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing, no, 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here also 2 and a 5. So we have a pair here. I believe. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes then. So here we have a pair. So these should be other numbers. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 185. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 158. 158, 158, 158. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row, first row. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 1. I will mark those 2 boxes later on. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. And look, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Here also a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this column, the 3 in the first column should be here or there. Yeah. Yeah, here can be 3 because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. Yeah, let me put the 3 there. I'm okay. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, third column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 2. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row there will be 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column there will be 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Can I count? And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1 on the 6. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for 3 should be here, or there. You see here 3 in the third row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay, 3 and 2, 3 and 2. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8, 8. 285, 285, 285. No 8 here, 8 here. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here and 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. So the 2 and 5 are left. Yeah, the 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So this box should be a 5 then. And that box should be a 2 then. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the model, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here also 4 and 5, I believe. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the set column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and 4. We have 4 in the set column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's definitely a 1-star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the binary puzzle with 10 by 10 in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.